I am very sure you saw ads running in the beginning of this video. That's because we are officially monetized. Yeah. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? If you're watching my video for the first time, I mean today is your first time of seeing my pretty face, you're highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, I am officially monetized. Before we dive into this video, let me say a prayer to you guys that are yet to monetize. You are next in line. Okay, you are next in line. Okay. I got monetized on the 15th of May 2021. Basically, it's been 5 days because today is 20. Basically, it's been 5 days that I got monetized. Yes. So I just want to quickly come here to say a very big thank you. Those of you that supported me in one way or the other. Some of you were running my playlist. Yes, people really run my playlist. I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thank you for choosing to support me. I really appreciate every one of you. At the end, it was really hard. My channel was not over 1 year. What that means that YouTube is gonna be reducing your watch hours. They were reducing my watch hour. One day I woke up, it was remaining just 3 hours for me to get to 4,000 watch hour. I mean 3,997. It was remaining just 3 hours, and I was like, oh, my tablet is there running. I was running myself on my tablet. I was running on my laptop. No, people were running me. Like, today is the last day. Tomorrow I'm gonna get my watch hour. Lo and behold, guys, when I woke up the following day, I lost 30 watch hours. YouTube, they removed 30 watch hour from my hours. I was so mad. I was so mad. I was even talking to myself like, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Why do you have to struggle so hard to get something? It's like, okay, I'm done. I am done. The following day, when I log into my YouTube or analytics, I checked the monetization section. I saw something like apply. I was like, what the fuck? Oh my god. Immediately I applied. Didn't even bother to go check how to apply for YouTube monetization, I just apply. And after I apply, I was waiting. I applied. I got the 4,000 watch hour. That was on Wednesday. On Thursday they sent me an email saying your channel, hi Osito, your channel Osito Empire has passed 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hour in the last 12 months. Require of the partner, blah blah blah. Your channel is not monetized yet. Go to the monetization setting in your studio to apply. If you have already accepted the terms and setup AdSense, then no further action is needed. They actually sent me an email the following day to tell me that I've reached the YouTube requirement, which is the 1,000 or 4,000 watch hour that I should apply. But if I have already, I should not do anything. I should wait, which I've already did. I was just like, okay, I've already applied. Let me just wait. I don't like waiting for something to happen. I hate it. Apart from me waiting to give birth when I was pregnant, I think this is the second wait I've ever had. I was like, this is so long. Let me just be done with monetization, whatever. I want to be done with this thing. I want to be done, please. On Monday, I got a message. Congratulations, your channel Osito Empire has been accepted into the YouTube partner program and is not able to monetize on YouTube. I was like, what the fuck? Oh my god, guys, you will not understand. I was so happy. I was so happy. I was even at work. I was dancing. I was during my break time, and it was around 12. I was happy. And then my co-workers were looking at me. What is wrong with you? I said, you don't know what's up now. Oh my god, been a long journey. I created my YouTube channel in 2018, March 8th, 2018. That's when I opened this YouTube channel, but I wasn't posting. Let me tell you guys a story. I opened this YouTube channel after watching a video, just like a video like this, how to make money on YouTube, how to start a YouTube channel, I was like, okay, let me check this out. Yeah, so I just went to Google, created the channel. I created my Google AdSense. That same day, I did not really post a video until 2020. I started posting in December 2019, and the whole 2020 I was unable to get monetized. I got my watch time on 1,000 subscribers, but yeah, that was my fault because I wasn't really posting regularly. I wasn't really consistent, and even in 2020 I wasn't really consistent because I have other things I was doing and still doing. I'm a mom. I go to work Monday to Friday, so I was unable to monetize my channel 2020. And being that I've already applied for monetization that same time, I mean, when I open my YouTube channel at the Google AdSense, I just applied for monetization. That then you can, I think then you can actually apply for monetization. And after 1 year, that was September, yeah, that was September 2020, YouTube sent me a message. Yeah, I was unable to get the requirement, and they're gonna remove me from their monetization, blah blah blah. So every time I reached the requirement, I should apply again. So yeah, let me quickly put this here. If you want to get monetized fast, you immediately create your YouTube channel. Just create your Google AdSense with it. With it, so that way it's not like when you get your monetization, you applying for monetization. That is when you now open your Google AdSense. It's gonna take a long time for me. It's gonna take them a long time to review your channel. So I just want to put this out there. Basically, it took me 1 year to get my to reach the YouTube requirement 1,000 subscribers, at least 1K subscriber, and 4,000 watch hour over 1 year, 365 days. So, and it took all day 3 days to review my channel, and here I am, monetized. As it's not playing on my video, it means I am now in the millionaire gang. If you're trying to monetize your channel, I just wish you well. Try to create video consistently. What really hurts me is a lot of people were running my playlist. I did live stream for some times, which I put on playlist. I created a playlist for all the live stream. I have silent stream, and I have the one I was actually talking and chatting. I put them on playlist. So I was basically running my playlist. I have an account on my tablet and 2 accounts on my laptop that I was using to run my playlist. And people, like I said, people were also running me. I have a friend that actually run me, like to the extent if my watch hour is not moving, I will just send her a message: you run my playlist, run this thing, run it. So I want to say a very big thank you to her. And yeah, you're watching this video, you know yourself now, so thank you, baby. Merci beaucoup. And thank you to every one of you, I cannot even mention it. And a very big shout out to Renoma Empire. The last time I said it on Lily live stream that it was remaining 200 watch hour for me to get my hours. She was like, I'm gonna run you until you get monetized. So she really helped me. Yeah, she really helped me. I want to say very thank you. God bless you. God bless your kind heart. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. So everyone, like, see, I don't want to make sure name, but you know yourself, every one of you that keep coming to watch my video, that keep supporting me, I love you guys. You know, I love you guys too. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate. And if you're new to my channel, join the family. Click on the red button to subscribe and turn on your bell notification. That way you will get notified anytime I upload a new video. So this video is just to come here to announce to you guys that I am finally monetized, and to say a very big thank you for all of you that have been supporting me get to where I am today. I want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm not gonna fall your hand. Now it's not left for me to post video, and don't worry. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I will see you all in my next video.